Today we're making colorful, fun, and delicious monster cookies. They're loaded with all kinds of treats that make every bite rich, exciting, and different. Let's get started. In a large bowl, cream softened butter, brown and granulated sugar until light in color, and then add some eggs, vanilla essence, and a few drops of food coloring. Completely optional, of course, but makes for such a fun appearance. Whisk until fully combined. Next up, let's add in our dry ingredients: all-purpose flour, cornstarch, baking soda, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix until just combined. Now load them up. We chose all kinds of biscuits, chocolate chunks, and candy, but you can choose your favorites. Get creative with it. Once it's all combined, refrigerate the dough for 30 minutes. While you're waiting, subscribe to our channel and leave a like. Then you can preheat your oven. Scoop about 2 scoops of dough for each cookie. Gently press them to give a round shape, but don't flatten them too much. Top with more of your chocolate chunks, biscuits, and whatever else your heart desires, and then bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 13 to 15 minutes. Now this next part is going to be the hardest part. Let them cool down before enjoying. If you like this recipe, let us know in the comments. Until next time!